they are going to record us, starting to prepare the background for our presentation. The first science unit of the year was Thinking Like a Scientist, and the kids loved it. And about our planet, Earth. Very good. We learned many interesting facts about how scientists work, the tools they use, and especially we learned about Albert Einstein's life. In our classroom, there's a picture of him with the quote, "The important thing is to never stop questioning." And that's what we started to do. Year 2 students had to put their curiosity to work, asking questions about the world around us and also about the universe. That's when the idea of making a presentation about the solar system came up. Year 2B had a great time exercising their curiosity and creativity, and we want you to share this experience with us. Get in our rocket and let's explore the universe.
Jupiter has gas and in the middle has a storm and is bigger than the Earth.
Saturn is the sixth planet after the Sun. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius about 9 times that Earth. With its large volume, Saturn is just over 95 times more massive. Saturn's interior is probably composed of a core of iron, nickel, and rock.
The Earth isn't like every other planet in the solar system in a number of different ways. It is the only planet that has an atmosphere containing 21% oxygen. It is the only planet that has liquid water on its surface. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and comes between the planet Venus and the planet Mars. The Earth's diameter, the distance around its middle, the equator, is 7,000 miles. Mars is known as the red planet. It is the planet that is most like Earth. Although as it is further from the Sun, it is very cold. Scientists have discovered ice beneath very cold. It is surface. This may mean that life won't exist there. One day we hope humans will settle on it. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury, named after the Roman god of war.
Venus rings are made of rocks and ice. They are so dark that we cannot see. A special thing about Venus rings do a special sequence of music with just Venus rings do and also have 7 rings.
These are caused by the gravitation pull of this Earth. Lunar astronauts used seismographs on their visit to the moon and found that small moon gas had crashed several kilometers beneath the surface, causing ruptures and cracks. Scientists think the moon has a molten core, just like Earth.
The Pluto is the smaller planet of the space. The Pluto is the planet that is more far off the Sun.
Distance from the Sun, 4.50 times 10 kilometers. Considers ice giants. Coldest places in the solar system, temperatures at its cloud tops approaching 55 K minus 218 C. 40 moons, discovery date 23 September 1846. Neptune is the most dense planet of the solar system.
What is gravity? Things fall to the ground because of the gravity. Gravity pulls things down. You cannot see gravity, but it is always there.
Papers, black papers on the centers. So you go to the centers, 3 centers.
supersonic ships at your disposal and if you feel so inclined. Well, alright. We're gonna travel faster than light, so drop your overcoat tight and we'll go anywhere you want to decide. Nobody has to be and nobody needs to be out of sight. Nobody's gonna travel second class at the equality, no suppression of minorities. We'll take this planet, shake it round.
Earth. We are about to leave our planet to go on an incredible journey through space. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Despite the name, most of its surface is covered by water. The Earth isn't like every other planet. Everything is just right to keep us alive. Now let's start our trip. First stop, the moon.
billion years ago. When a large object hits the Earth and blasts out rocks, its surface is covered in craters. From our planet, we can only see one side of the moon. The other side is always turned away from us. Now let's pay a visit to the boss, the sun. The sun is a powerful yellow star. It is really big and heavy. It gives life to Earth. The sun is so big and heavy that it attracts the other planets and makes them revolve around it. This force is called gravity. Without gravity, there would be no solar system. Now let's visit a close friend, Mercury. We have landed on Mercury, the closest of the planets to the Sun. It is extremely hot and almost there is no air. Here on this planet, you would not wake as much as you do and on Earth, because this Mercury is smaller and so has gravity. Mercury is made out of maybe iron. Our next stop is on a mystery planet called Venus. Venus is made up of almost the same types of materials as the Earth. Venus has volcanoes, mountains, and sand, just like our planet. But here, no living thing would ever be able to survive, because Venus' surface temperature is hot enough to cook a meal in a few minutes. Now our species is heading to a fourth place, Mars. Mars exists because it is more like the Earth than any of the other planets, and that suggests that Mars once had rivers, lakes, and even an ocean. This planet is also called red planet. You see red dirt. Here you see red dirt and grass everywhere. And the planet has two moons. Now let's visit a huge friend, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. The Earth could fit inside Jupiter more than 1,000 times. It is a very stormy planet. The Great Red Spot, called the Eye of Jupiter, is a giant storm that has at least 300 years. Did you know Jupiter has rings? There are 3 rings in all, and this planet has 15 moons. messed up Saturn. In many ways, Saturn is similar to Jupiter, but it is much smaller. Under the clouds, there is a giant ocean of liquid chemicals. This planet is so light that it is believed Saturn would float in water. There are 7 rings around the planet, and they are made of small pieces of ice, dust, and rocks. Saturn has 53 moons. Let's continue our trip visiting another planet with rings, Uranus. Uranus also has rings, but they are not as big as rings of Saturn. Uranus has 27 moons and is made of gas. It is really cold here. That's why it's called ice giant. Because of the huge pressure, there could be millions of large diamonds in or on the surface of this planet. Let's go and visit them.
Neptune. It is very windy here. No other planet in the solar system has winds that are as strong as Neptune's. There are 6 rings that circle the planet and 30 moons. There is a large white cloud that moves around really quickly. For many centuries, people did not know that this planet even existed. Now we are really far from home. Let's move even further and visit a little friend called Pluto.
It looks cold and dark in her because we are so far from the sun. Here we can find water in the form of ice. Pluto is really small. It is even smaller than the Earth. Moon, because of it, many scientists don't consider it a planet at all. 10 years ago, Pluto's status was changed and now it is known as a dwarf planet. We have reached our final destination. Now it is time to go back home.
Let me take you on a little trip. My supersonic ship's at your disposal if you